Johnson Wales equipped me with so many tools, but the number one thing is your foundation network. If you don't know the person to the left of you, to the right of you, get to know them. You don't know when in 10 years' time where they'll resurface and be part of your life again. Hello Wildcats, my name is Chef Carrieri. I graduated in 2015 with a Bachelor of Science in Baking Pastry Arts Food Service Management. Currently, I am the Senior Chef at the Chocolate Academy in New York for Berry Callebaut. We are the world's largest manufacturer of chocolate products, from couvertures to compounds to cocoa. So my job is to put context around those ingredients for our customers. It's always so exciting to go into a place and find another Johnson Wales alum. We are a community of Wildcats that are so passionate. We love hospitality. We all have this common passion and integrity and community about ourselves that really makes us a Wildcat.